Hi and welcome everyone. My name is Kartika Nair and you are watching Synchro Shakti. This is a channel where you will learn whatever you need to learn to take your life from where it is right now into the next level. Now, today I want to share with you a technique that will help you fall asleep for those who cannot fall asleep. Now, there are very few reasons why you cannot fall asleep. The first reason why you can't fall asleep is because your mind is active. You've got images popping up, you're thinking about past, future, judgment, resistance, you're feeding visions, visualization, too much of brain activity going on before falling asleep that your mind is thinking that it's time to work instead of shutting down and going to sleep. So one reason is because you think too much. The second reason why you cannot sleep is because of physical pain. If you've got a lot of physical pain or emotional pain, that's another reason why you cannot sleep. And the third reason why you cannot sleep is because you have your Instagram or your phone, Facebook, some screen open in front of your eyes before going to bed. So again, it kind of tells your brain that it's time to stay awake instead of falling to sleep. So today I'm going to share a technique which will help with the first two issues, which is the incessant mental noise and the physical pain. Alright, I'm going to talk about a technique that will help with these two. And if you want to fall asleep and the reason why you can't is because you're going through Instagram before you go to bed, then just stop your Instagram time about 30 minutes before you go to bed. I will give you the technique right now. So the technique to fall asleep is a mindfulness technique. They call it Yoga Nidra in I think that's Sanskrit, but in other words it's the yoga of sleep. All you gotta do is when you're going to bed at night, go ahead, instead of thinking about stuff, take your awareness and start feeling the different parts of your body. Now I'm sure many of you would have done this before, but do it again. All you gotta do is start with the top of your head, saying, can I internally feel the top of my head? Maybe you have an image in your head of the top of your head, an image in your mind of the top of your head, but then drop the image, go within and try to sense it from within. So now your mind is not in 10 different things. It's just the awareness of what's, that you have the top of your head. And then bring it to your forehead, your eyes, your nose, your lips, your shoulders, your hands, and keep moving your awareness from the top of your head down to the bottom of your feet and then back up. All you gotta do is just try as best as you can every day before going to bed. Just take your awareness up and down the body, go from the top of your head down to the soles of your feet. Keep doing it multiple times. If you lose your mind and it's gone into past, future thinking, just bring your awareness back into the body. You will feel calmer, it will allow your body to relax and heal, and you will be able to go to sleep. That is my technique and tool for you today. I hope you liked it, and I will see you again on Friday. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Namaste.